Second half, probably 2-2. Maybe 3-2. Time, Nip, time! Oh, God. Uh-oh. Sterling all the way! All the way! All the way! All the way! Hey, we're on the clock! We gotta get it in! We gotta get it in! We gotta get it in!
Get a touch!
Yeah, good. Good clear. Yellow, yellow, we're subbing! Good work, Bill, good work. Yeah! Yeah, there's no way. I like the effort, but no way. Yeah, keep pushing that side! Show for him! Wheels downhill! It's killing the both of us. Roll back. No way! Yeah! Okay! Oh, let's go! Is that Miller? Good work, Miller. Get the fuck out.
And put it right off the ground.
Get the fuck out.
Real dirty.
I've never really had an invite like that. I love it.
Miller!
What you doing?
Let's go! Yeah, I don't know why I gave it to you. I don't know why I gave it to you. Yeah, holy hell. Yeah, I'm the last person you should give it to. Let's go, Dink. Ethan won. Drop! Drop! Hey, if he burns him, be ready to step up. Chris, drop! Chris, drop! Chris, drop! Drop! Hey, drop, play good defense. There you go. Let's go open! Or no, hey, yeah. Hey, we can still do open, we can still do open. Ball's top left, talk through it. Hey, Ethan, you got a long one. Ethan, you can stay one. Ethan, stay one. Ethan, you're off. Open! Adjacents! Adjacents! Watch cutters. Hold. Turn! Ah. That's okay. Hey, now we know we just gotta watch for cutters. Good D out there. Good D. We just gotta watch for cutters. That's it. Is that 3-3? That's okay. Yeah, that is the truth. I think so. I think I got my head around quick enough to see it. It's blinking red, right? I think so. Oh, go through the ground ball hard. Ethan, be ready to go one slide, okay? Ethan, be ready to go one slide. Ball side left. All the way back, Bill. All the way back. Just kick it. Just kick it.
Get that ball.
Middle. Middle. Oh, good timeout. Good timeout. Good timeout.
Get the poles off. Up here. Pulls the ball.
It's okay. Yeah, Sterling. When in doubt, just fucking hold him. Just tackle him. Yeah. Yeah. You know, he's got powerful hands. Him and the box guy for sure. All the way back if you need it. Yeah, Jimmy's got wheels. Let's go, Jimmy. Set it up! Set it up! Hey, dodge with a purpose, man. Clear out for him. Clear through for him. Okay, Jake, good take. Goalie's got it. Hey, 1, 2 box. 2 box. There's 1 box. Yeah, Jake on ball. Jake on ball. Bill, you can be his 1. Bill, you can be his show. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Good, talk through it. Top left, yeah, go to ball now. Right away, Bill, nobody on you. 1 back, Jake, stay. Jake, you're good, Jake, you're good. Hey, good work, Bill. Good work. Trying anything. Top center. Sterling behind you, and you're good. 1 box. Yeah, Jake, box. Going across, all the way across. Yeah, Tony on him. 1 box. Watch box. Split 2. Chris, keep him wide. Yeah, good switch. Top left. Hey, those guys like to bull dodge. Yeah, you're gonna be 1. Hey, stay in the middle till the guy comes. Ball's the next, watch cutters. Watch cutters. Nothing. Top left. That's over and back. It didn't go. It didn't go. Oh, we're not doing that. Oh, shit. Oh, okay. Hold. Watch the lift. Lift it. Lift it. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. Okay. I got you. Yeah. That's okay. Hey, we're learning. We're learning. We're learning. Hey, watch the cuts open. Open. Cutter. Top left. Heavy on him, Bill. Yeah. Chris, keep him low. Keep him low. Keep him low. Turn. Pick right. Switch. Yeah. Ball's top center. And there's no over and back this time. Oh my God, go to the fucking ball, Sterling. Hold, hold, hold. Cutter! Ball still down! Oh my God.
Hey, nice finish. Ready to be in there, guys.
That's all right, we just gotta clear the crease. We did, they got the lucky bounce. That's all that was. That's all that was. That's all right. Yeah, we just gotta slow it down. We know the personnel, right? I know, it's so fucking close. That's all right.
I think I had it until I tripped over that guy.
Yeah, we just gotta slow it down. Yeah, no, it was hard. It popped. He got lucky. It popped right to him. Yeah. What'd he say? He say 4-2? It should be. I'm not a math major.
We should really only have 2. We got that.
Yeah, that's the truth. 4 to like 2.5.
Style points.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Show for him! Show for him! V cut! He's tired. There you go, Billy. Not the look. That's not the look. That's... Hey, watch one guy in the middle, big guy in the middle. Ball's up. Coming to the middle. Sterling, eyes on him. Sterling, you got balls. Keep him wide. Ball's the next. Watch cutters. Ball's back left. Watch the delayed cut. Watch the delayed cut. Ball's back right. Yeah, you got him. Keep him low. Ball's top right. There you go, Alex. You got him. Hey, talk through it. Talk through it. Tony, you're my 1, okay? Hold. 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 Ball's the next. Ball's down. Ball's up, top left. Your own ball, Chris. Ball's at X. Big turn. Lift, lift. Help here, Bill. Yeah, time. Hey, you still got me. Good look, Bill. Good look. Get it. Ah. Oh my God, we need a backup. Good look. Good GB, good look. Hey, offense isn't helping us out. We got to keep doing us, all right? Hey, middle, Dink, you got it. Ball's coming down, top right, top right. Dink, split two, Dink on ball. Hey, Dink, he likes to throw a lot of fakes. Don't let him do it. Ball's at X, ball's back left. Cutter, side left, watch the shot, get a lift. Yeah, you're good there, Ethan, you're good. Yeah, Alex right there, exactly. The two's backside. Bill, now you're two. Hey, what's the cut? Nothing. No picks, no nothing. Pick right. Watch the moving pick. Top left. Good, yeah. Stay all the way over, Sterling, all the way over. 2-on-1. Good luck, Ethan, good luck. That's okay. I like slower. You know?
Yeah, me on the back too. That doesn't even happen.
Absolutely. Yeah, funny, I'm the only one that's like not tired out here, you know what I mean? So I can run if I need to. Oh yeah. Yeah, you're a runner. Top right, top left! Jake, just get in, watch it 5-on-4. Yeah, get back. Jake, you're on ball, keep him wide. He's a shooter. Back left. Why does he keep taking that shot? I guess so. Yeah, we might need one. Good, talk through it. One coming box. Hey, yeah, you can.
Yo, I need a 2 here in Coma.
Hey, we're gonna try heavy. Chris, go get him. Ball's at X. Hold, turn, left. Top left. Watch the shot.
Go.
Oh!
Nice.
That was a good look.
Hey, Adam, nice push.
That's awesome inside, man.
That was a really good pass on his part.
Oh, yeah.
That was a really good pass. We had the slide.
Yeah.
Exactly. Know your personnel. We body the fuck out of him and Red Helmet too. We body the shit out of him. We fucking crush his wrists.
Slide, there's nothing to do.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
we're still going shorties. We got holes on the sideline.
Hey, yeah. Sterling's right. We just gotta know our personnel and we'll work inside out from there.
Keep the talk up too.
Yeah, absolutely.
If we get quiet.
Yeah, absolutely. There you go, Dink.
Hey, all right.
Oh. Let it go. Yellow. That was generous. Hey, we got balls on the sideline. Clear out! One on you. Coming down top right. Hey, one in the middle. Don't all go off. Oh my God. All right, hey, we're gonna have a rotate here. Chris, all the way to the ball. Oh yeah, Jake on ball. Yeah, now look away. Ball's at X, watch cutters. Ball's top right. Jake on ball. Sterling, you can show if you want to. Ball's top right still. Jake, just keep him wide. Hey, he likes the fakes. Good. Push him low. Perfect, Jake. Perfect. There you go. Nothing. Hey, you're good, Ethan. Good show. Nothing, though. Good. Watch Cutters. Watch Cutters still. Right back. Sterling 1, Chris 2. Sterling 1, Chris 2. Bill touching backside. Watch Cutters. Watch Cutters. Ball's back left. Bill's on ball. Who's my 1? Go, go, go. Top right. Still got it. Ball's down. Fucking yellow! What are you doing? I'm here. I'm here. Side right.
If you run out of the goal,
Yeah, so they can't be in the crease.
right? We're playing. We're going to play that.